Alright, I just want to explain the sheer mass of this project. This here is all that I have done already. This massive stack here and all these over here. Then this over here is what I just recently did. There's a ton of these pieces. They're not put together yet at all. This stack here is what I still have to do. Look at that. Oops. That is a massive stack still. So, yeah. This explains why I don't like some of this stuff. Okay. Look at that though. Look how it's coming together. Starting to look like a face. Sort of see it. Almost looks like bat ears. Alright, here's the finished product. I've named him Pablo. He is a Easter Island head. Pretty sure the place that they have these. Have some dremeling around the neck to give it cheekbone definition on each side. And then attempt at behind the ear definition with more dremeling. Didn't work out too well, but got pretty good definition on him. Turned out pretty well. I like him. So the plans for this are available on Steven Good's website. So yeah, if you want it, go check it out. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked, like and subscribe. Don't forget the bell icon to get notified of my videos. See ya.